expressing such views in the performance. So it's specified, the nature of the statements. So a little bit of research, malalaman mo na which statements were these, because this
Point
refers
of order, Mr. President. Point of order.
What is the point of order?
The statements of Senator Pangilinan, the nature of his statements. Kayo na mag-research kung ano statements na yun, Mr. President. Sabi niya, pwede daw yun eh.
Mr. President,
I-research na lang daw natin.
I'm not yet done.
No, that's why I
Philippine
gave
officials,
Mr. President,
including
that's why I
members,
gave a point of
members
order.
of the Senate. May I just be, I am still
It's a
speaking,
point of order, Mr.
President.
President. A point of order precedes your precedence.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, maybe ask the minority floor leader to state the point of order. Which part of the rules was
Mr. President.
which part of the rules was
Wala.
violated?
I'm making a point, Mr. President, that you cannot make a motion and then say, i-research mo na lang yung laman. Sabi kasi niya, pwede mo daw ipasa to, tapos nandyan naman yung nature. Ano ngang statement?
Mr. President,
So in the
this is a
same manner,
debate.
Mr. President, I
Where is-
admit
where is the point
my
of order?
motion, may I finish?
Where is the point
my
of order,
motion
Mr.
for
Where is the point of
our
order?
Session is
motion.
suspended.